Assalamu alaikum. Today, the topic I'm going to explain you is air. Now, what is an atmosphere? The earth is surrounded by a layer of gases called the atmosphere. Our atmosphere is made up of different types of gases, for example, oxygen and carbon dioxide, nitrogen, etc. The atmosphere is very important to life on earth and does many things to help protect life and help lives to survive. For example, we need oxygen for the survival. Now, what is the importance of atmosphere? The atmosphere protects Earth like a big blanket. It absorbs the heat from the sun and keeps the heat inside the atmosphere, helping the Earth to stay warm. If the atmosphere does not absorb heat from the sun, then our Earth will be a very cold place. There is also a portion of the atmosphere called the ozone layer. The ozone layer helps to protect the Earth from the sun's radiation. The ultraviolet radiations are very harmful for human beings, so the ozone layer protects us from these radiations. The composition of atmosphere, it means from which gases the atmosphere is made. The atmosphere is the air that plants and animals breathe to survive. The atmosphere is made up of mostly nitrogen, 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen. There are lots of other gases that are part of the atmosphere but in much smaller amounts. These include argon, carbon dioxide, neon, helium, hydrogen, and more. Oxygen is needed by animals to breathe, and carbon dioxide is used by the plants in photosynthesis. So, our atmosphere is made up of mainly of two gases, nitrogen 78% and oxygen 21%. Oxygen is needed by all the animals and humans to breathe, while carbon dioxide is needed by the plants for photosynthesis. Now, what is an air pressure? The air around you has a weight and it presses against everything it touches. That pressure is called atmospheric pressure or air pressure. It is the force exerted on a surface by the air above it as gravity pulls it to the earth. Atmospheric pressure drops as altitude increases. The gravitational forces on the earth pulls the air towards it and it exerts pressure on everything. This is called as air pressure or atmospheric pressure. As it exerts pressure on everything, it means that air has weight. Changes in air pressure causes changes in the weather. For example, cold air sinks in while warm air rises. Cold air have high pressure, warm air have low pressure. A general rule of weather forecasting is that when low pressure moves in, it will bring stormy weather and high pressure will usually bring good weather. Thank you.